Let's go to a speakeasy bar dito sa Bangkok, the abandoned mansion at the Coach Hotel. So guys, you won't expect what's inside, so let me show you. So when you head downstairs the stairs, guys, it will be a secret world of speakeasies. Sobrang ganda. And pagpasok mo, parang nag-time travel ko to the 1920s. It's giving vintage elegance with a modern twist. Perfect to chill and of course, guys, to take photos. So dim ang lights na dito, sleek furniture and different vibe. And syempre may pa-soft jazz music. And definitely, meron pa siyang live singer dyan, guys. Now, time for the drinks. Look at these cocktails. Grabe. So these cocktails, iba-ibang kinds and iba-ibang titles yan based on all of these wanted, notorious serial killers back then. Really good. Presentations is top-notch talaga. So super worth it. And definitely, you have to enjoy the food. Lahat ng food nila dito, guys, sobrang sarap. I think you can see all of the photos here and all of the videos here. The food is good. The drinks are good. So it really matches everything that you want. And definitely, I love